Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to reset Indesit Dishwasher. First is to cancel the current cycle. If your dishwasher is currently running a cycle, press the cancel or reset button. This button may be labeled differently depending on the model, but it's typically the one that clears the cycle. Next is to turn off the dishwasher. Press the power button to turn off the dishwasher. Next, wait for 1 to 5 minutes. Leave the dishwasher off for at least 1 to 5 minutes to allow the system to reset and clear any errors. Next is to turn the dishwasher back on. After waiting, turn it back on. Lastly is to start a new cycle. Once powered on, you can select a new washing cycle to test if everything is functioning properly. And if that didn't work, simply call their customer service and get assisted by them. And that's basically it.